this incredible musical stuff that we can't wait to talk about. You have a little one too.
Dude.
How old's your little one?
She'll be 4 months on the 29th.
4 months.
You know, I'm so glad we got to tell your story.
Yeah.
Because it took a lot of resilience.
Thank you.
To get where you are now. Like, what did it take?
Just honestly, listening to the voice in my head to just keep going and, pushing through and never stopping, never quitting.
A lot of people would have gotten the boot from American Idol and thought, you know what, that's the big stage.